this is what we got. These are my presents.
These are my presents.
Now we're gonna start opening our gifts. I'll start first. This is from Sisabig. Here's the ribbon. Whoa, cool. I could like open this. Let's open this first. Next, open your present.
I got a Barbie.
Who gave you that? Ninang? Ninang Bing. Oh, you're gonna say thank you, Ninang
I
Bing.
got a wedding doll. Like,
What are you
it's
gonna
a
say?
wedding Barbie. Oh, and there's like a maze here.
What are you gonna say, Sarah?
Thank you.
Ninang Bing.
I love this berry.
Thank you, Ninang Bing.
Thank you, Nathan Bing.
This is from Nanay. Like Merlina. Oh,
Nanay Ninong.
okay.
Nanay Ninang. And Tatay Ninong.
From Nanay Ninong, and this is from Nanay Ninong as well. So we're gonna open it. Sarah can go first, since I was.
I got a
Sarah, that's what you always wanted.
I know.
It's a Peppa Pig set. Peppa Pig toothbrush set. Show them. That's what it is. Now it's my turn. Oh my gosh. I got a new sweater. Oh, it's not a sweater. It's a jacket. It's so furry. I like it.
What are you gonna say, Sarah and Gerzin?
Thank you, Nanay. We love you and we like our presents. This is from Sister Nympha. And now I'm gonna do it first.
You can do it both.
What?
You can open it
A
both.
bag? Whoa! What's inside? Oh my goodness. It's another jacket! And I love it!
How about
Now,
Sarah?
for this more.
Wow. How about for Sarah?
We could still use this.
Sarah, rip it.
Rip it. And that? What?
Oh my, it's the color. I like the color. Help her, ate.
Oh,
I got it. I got it.
you got a dress!
Wow.
It's so pretty. You could wear it someday.
Yeah.
On another like video. Other one. Now we're gonna open
Me.
Wait,
Yeah, you can join. You can do it together, both.
Okay.
I got. What did I get? I got that. That.
Oh,
I got
my
Insta
gosh.
I'm gonna use it for my Insta. Then I'm gonna show you. Happy voices.
And yours, Sarah? Another one.
What is this?
I think that's mine. Is that mine?
I
Wow!
got a storybook. I can read it.
Oh yeah, that's mine.
Chocolate.
I'm going to open
First
this
me.
Lourdes.
First the meal,
I'm gonna
okay?
open
And
First the
you read it.
And
First the meal,
Brother
okay?
Alan.
First the meal, okay?
We're gonna open together.
You're gonna do it together.
I get chocolate.
Wow!
Here I got some candy.
Candy cane! Sarah's favorite!
Can't
Wow!
wait to eat that. I'm so excited.
Okay. The candy cane is for the Christmas tree.
Yeah, we can put it
Yeah.
on our Christmas tree.
No! Gonna get expired. We're gonna eat that for movie time.
Yeah, let's definitely do that. Open her other one from there. I'm gonna find another. Ooh,
Don't open it, okay?
Help Sarah!
so easy. You got a bear! It smells so good.
Can I see him?
It
Oh!
smells so good, Mom.
Oh yeah! Oh man, that's so pretty. That's gonna be your new pet. What's his name now?
What's
Pau?
that?
His name is Pau?
Yeah. His name's gonna be Pal. Yeah. Oh, Pal. Naomi.
I got this dress.
It's so pretty.
I got this big dress.
I got this dress that I'm gonna wear totally on Sunday.
I got this big dress.
What are you gonna say to Naomi?
Thank you, Naomi. I really like this dress. Open baby police. I've got some socks that are so cute. There's like this bear on it. And I have this.
Wow, you can wear that tomorrow.
You're so
Oh, look at pink one.
I like pink ones.
What? La, yeah, it's cute, Sarah. What are you gonna
Now-
say?
This is from Tita Joanne.
Oh, that's your ninang Joan.
It's okay.
Yeah,
It
look at.
says born to shine.
Oh, you're born. You born to shine. You will born to
I want
shine.
makeups.
Wow,
She got makeup.
that's mine.
What?
That's mine.
Oh,
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Sarah got makeup.
I love it.
Oh,
My favorite.
There it is. This one. This is Sarah.
Oh,
We
false
made a
alarm.
mistake. And I have another one.
Can I
that
open it?
Yeah,
says-
rip it, Sarah. Rip it.
It says London, Tokyo, Las Vegas, and Sunday.
Wow, Sarah! Oh man, that's so cute.
You got it.
You can put your Shopkins there.
Mommy,
Look it!
Mommy, look, it says London, Tokyo, Las Vegas, and Sunday.
Oh man, dress, Sarah.
There's a pretty
Oh,
dress.
man.
So pretty.
Fit it, fit it, fit it. You like it? Wow.
Okay, no, so what I do, I have from the Sanchez family. It's from Krisa, Angel, Ronald, and Sister Mary Vape, and
Kuya JR,
JR.
Kuya Christian.
Tart.
okay. It's open already. Oh my gosh, Garzen, it's so cute.
What is this? It says potted party.
Oh
It's
no,
the
potted
game.
party.
Potted party.
We're gonna do
I
that
can't
too.
wait to play this on our new chat. On our
Oh, you can invite them here and then play with that. You're almost planning, but can you help Sarah, please?
okay.
Stuck in there.
Just take it out.
Yeah.
Little princess dress up set. Oh my gosh.
Now I
She
can
got a book. She got a crown. She got more crowns. Oh my god.
Now I can
What
be
are
a
you gonna say to your
princess.
friend?
Now I can be a princess.
Yeah. What are you gonna say to your friend?
Thank you.
From Ashlyn and baby Alan. Can't wait to see what's inside.
I cannot open it.
I can. Oh, there. Oh my gosh. Is it a flasher? Because I love that.
Fludge. Oh my, it's a fludge, Garzen. You're gonna wear that at the church.
It's so pretty.
Oh my gosh, Sarah, look. That's so pretty.
So much. It's so
What are you gonna say,
pretty.
guys?
I just wanna have it.
What are you gonna say?
Thank you. I
Thank
really
you.
like it.
I
Brother Ross. He's the comrade manager. So let's open it. You got a Peppa Pig? She got this as well. Cool.
Holy!
I like it. She got a Peppa Pig.
Oh.
Card. It's from Nana Malo. And Sarah has this jacket. Oh, this is my mom's jacket. She put it inside there. She really is.
Thank you.
Sarah's pretty jacket. It's so pretty. I like the color. It's so